Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. When we pick this button we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's go to the left side and pick the settings button to open the advanced camera settings, and here in the device category at the last position we have mirror front camera option, so let's pick it. Now we can decide to turn it on or turn it off as we need. And as you can see, this works to the front camera, so we have to remember to change back to the front one by using this button from the right to make it work. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.